What's going on, guys? Justin Fuller, Director of Digital Sales for TrueSpot, and today a quick tutorial video. I want to show you how to connect up a TrueSpot tag specifically to a KeyTrak Fob, right? So once you've connected these one time, you won't have to do this again. This will stay paired, but I want to walk you through that process in case you ever run into this situation where you need to connect a fresh fob up to a fresh tag. So let's hop on in and I'll show you how to do that in the KeyTrak software.
The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my KeyTrak Fob and I'm going to go ahead and scan it on the machine, and then it's going to populate and pull in the stock number of the VIN, whatever that info is related to the car. From there, I'm going to grab that stock number and I want to go find that specific vehicle because I want to connect the tag up to it. So I'm going to search it out. I'm going to hit edit. Once I get to edit, I can then come in here. And now if you're tracking your tags, you can then scan the car tag if you're tracking cars. And then after you've done that, it'll say verified on the screen. And then secondarily, I want to do the key tag. So I'm going to hit edit key, and then I'm going to come over and you're going to see me scan the key tag. Once I've scanned the key tag and the car tag, we're now complete. It is now associated with the KeyTrak piece and that specific stock number of VIN.